Hey, so I found something today at a yard sale that I'm real excited to try. I've been working on the project here for a little while, and I've had taken all the wall plates off of all the walls and was going to replace them. And I had been given several of the metal ones that looked copper and bronze and different colors. And I utilized those, but I didn't have enough for the whole house. And when I got into pricing them, for one was $5 for a metal wall plate. So I was out today and stopped just randomly at a yard sale. And at the yard sale, they had this right here. Evidently, whoever got them on the clearance rack. They were $10. Each pack has 2 sheets in it. Let me show you. Well, here's what it is. 2 sheets. And it's an adhesive. It's a peel and stick. And it's made for the wall plates. So let me show you. I have already covered some with... This is one of the pieces that I've got cut out already for this one. But let me show you. Look how that's looking. That turned out good. That was not hard to do. At all. So, basically, I got a mess here. Alright, so basically, what you do is you cut your piece out so it comes in a long sheet like this, and out of one sheet you can get 3 single wall plates. So you put it on there like that. Actually, you're going to turn it this way. So you're going to leave like 1/4 of an inch all the way around so that that will wrap into it. Now I'm going to unpeel it. Hold on just a minute. Okay, so this is the back of it that I unpeeled from that. That's the sticky side there. Now you take your plate. Let's see. And just place it on there and press. And I did wipe these down with a washcloth and water, and then after that I wiped them down with alcohol and let them dry, just to make sure there's no residue of anything on there. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these corners out, and I'm going to show you first how they suggest that you cut them. And then I'm going to show you how I like cutting them better. And I'll show you why. Hold on just a moment. Okay, so the way they say to do it, if you can see right there, and they say to use a hobby knife when you're doing all of this, but to cut a square. So you're going to go straight up on each side, and you're going to cut out that little square so it would look like this when you get done. But I have found that if you cut it more at an angle on each end, then when you go to fold it in, you see how that right side curves in more? This side is going to be straight. And that side won't finish out on the corners as nicely as when it's cut at an angle. And I learned that the hard way just by doing a few of these and that corner not coming out quite right. So that's just a suggestion if you get something like this to do these outlet covers. And that's the color that it is, smoked pewter. But anyway, I think they come out really nice. It actually looks like a metal wall plate. So I'm just going to fold that in there. And I'm going to go ahead and cut that at an angle to match the other one so that when it folds in, it'll fold in and look much better. I actually like using the edge of the sofa to help bend that. You can use any harder surface. I'm doing pretty good with one hand, aren't I? Gotta practice for when I have my hand surgery. All right. See that? Now, like they said, they used to use a hobby knife. I've not been using a hobby knife. I just have a little, whatever this is, one of those things. Another kind of knife. And I have also been rubbing my finger along the edge here just to create somewhat of a crease around it so that I can see what I'm cutting even better. Again, trying to do this with one hand. I might not be able to do that one. Let me come right back. Alright, there's the finished product. I really like that. And guess what? So originally these were $10 each. The person that got them for $3.59 each. So they would have been $60 because I got 6 packs. And at the yard sale, I got them for $3. All 6 for $3. Now that was a deal. That was quite a deal. And the color is perfect for everything I've done in here. So anyway, I just thought I'd share that project with you and that little yard sale find that worked out pretty good. And I'm going to try to get the rest of these outlets done. Bye for now. Hello everyone. There have been a lot of changes. It's been just a few weeks since I have videoed anything. But one of the major things is I have gone and gotten everything out of my storage unit. Unfortunately, it is in a landing zone here on the front porch. So my front porch is just covered with stuff, my baby, and even out under the carport. So what I'm going to do now is work in the storage shed out here. And because I can't do anything with that stuff, a lot of that's not going to go in the house. But until I have room out here in the storage, there is nothing that I can put back here. So what I'm attempting to do, it's going to be a little hard to see. I have a little light. I started on a shelf. So I've got one hanger holding it. I've got to get the other ones on each end, and I'll have a shelf there, and then I can start organizing things back here so that I can get some of that stuff off the shelf. So I have this shelf, I have this one here, and then I've got 4 of them back there. I still don't know what kind of organization I'm going to do as far as how I'm going to put the shelves yet. I'm kind of just feeling it out. But I already had this one here, and it fit perfectly in that spot. So I thought, well, that's where that one's going to go for sure. But like I said, I've got so much stuff back here. There's just not really room for more. So that's the project I'm working on. Let's see, there's some stuff already I've had to take out of there. And then stuff. I've got this awful TV. The picture is great. That's what's crazy. The picture is like picture perfect. But it's ancient. And I don't know, I was lugging it around thinking maybe I could use it in a she shack. But it's not Wi-Fi compatible. It has to be cable, and I'm not doing cable, so I'm giving it away. Oh, and I have this here is Picasso's travel cage. It's over 20 years old. I'm going to get rid of it too. That was when I was doing shows with him, and we were entering bird shows. And that was the cage that I would pop open in the arena, and he would be in there for the judges to come by. But it's really old. I wouldn't dare use it now, that's for sure. But it'd be great for a dog. Just nothing for a show, but anyway, it's a nice big cage. Anyway, so just fill you guys in on what I'm doing now. And there have been some major changes in the inside of the house. But I'm going to save that for another video and just kind of catch you guys all up. I'll go room by room and show you all the new things that's happened in there. So, hope you're having a great day. Chat soon. Hey guys, welcome back to another day, another vlog. Today, we're just going to start out with, I've already been at work today. I've done a couple pet sits, and I'm back with this guy. Got him out of the cage. Yeah. You ready for a shower? Okay, so we're going to give him a shower because he's ready. Hi. You talking? Do you see somebody? You don't see nobody. Let's get your tail. Let's get that tail. Watch out, Phoenix. All right, ready for some more? Oh, wow, look at you spin. spinning. You're not spinning, boy. Look at you spinning. Yeah. Is that good? Make a mess. You need that. Does that feel good? That feel good, baby. You are so good looking. I don't even know what to think about you. You're so good looking. Yeah. Let's do some on your back. Oh, yes. Ooh. Okay. You're not going to pull me over there. No, sir. No, sir. You'd be crazy. Yeah. Let's see your neck. Let's get that skinny little neck. You're really wet. That's pretty good. Shoo! Look how big you are. He's just a big boy. He's a big boy. All right. Gonna shake. Oh, there's some more. Okay. I know that feels good. Yeah. Oh, don't you be snippy, Mr. Crazy. Let's get you back. Let's get you back. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Is that good? I know it. You got me soaked. All right. Okay. All right, you're soaked. It's going to take you a little bit to dry. You good? Okay. You're dripping. Whew. All right, biggin. This was half full. Look at you. I'll get you a towel for your face. He does not like his face wet. He likes his beak very clean. So let me get him a little... There we go. Just a little washcloth. Ever since he was baby, and I used to have to hand feed him. Anytime something got on his beak, he was used to me Now see, how am I going to position this and make sure I don't get bit? Because sometimes he gets a little carried away. Easy, easy. Let's clean it. Let's clean it. Easy, clean it. Oh, don't go crazy. We're just trying to clean it. You good? You good? Okay, you're just being crazy now. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so now it's time for you to dry off. All right. So you just chill there for a minute. Good boy. All right, I don't know if I... Yeah, I don't know if I showed y'all that I organized this patio out here a little bit better. Got some more of the work stuff towards the front so that I could have this little area to just relax and sit. And it's nice because right from here, right through there, I can see the TV. So if I want to sit out here at night and enjoy the cool breeze and watch TV, I can do that. Here's how it's looking. So it's slowly coming together, little by little. I got these little placemats today and these little coasters. Kind of the mood I've been feeling. And I got some great news today. I found out that this weekend my aunt is coming up and she's going to be bringing my mom. And so they're going to come here and we're going to get to hang out for a little bit. So I'm excited about doing that with them and showing them the house. They've never been here. So I'm excited, really excited about that. But I'm trying to think. So, oh, okay, so I got this metal galvanized pole, and it's a L shape. And my plan is I want to drill holes all the way through it, probably 12 to 14 inches apart. And then I can hang multiple bird feeders on it off my deck. And so this pole here will be against the railing, and I will have something holding it in like that. And then those holes, I can put carabiners or something in them to hold the bird feeders. And that means no squirrels are going to be getting on my bird feeders anymore. I'll continue to feed them in a different place, but they can't get all the good bird seed anymore. So that's going to be great. But I had seen this at one of my friend's houses years ago, and I thought, brilliant idea. And then when I go to refill the bird feeders, all I'll have to do is release a clamp that's down here at the bottom and swing it around and swing it back towards me, and then I can get to the bird feeders, refill them, and then swing it back out over the dirt and start feeding again. So when I get that done, I will show you what it looks like. But I'll tell you, I'm not feeling very confident about if I can drill a hole in this. I've got some different drill bits, so I'm going to try. I may actually have a drill bit that's for metal. I know I have one for concrete. Don't ask me why, because I've never used it. But I'll see if it'll work, and if I can do that myself, then I want to do that myself. If not, I might have to wait till one of the guys gets here and can help me out with that. But my goal is to do it myself, so we'll see what happens. Keep you posted. Okay, alright, so it's after Picasso's shower, and he has had about an hour to dry, and here's how he looks after his shower. Still a little wet on the belly, but look how pretty. Look how pretty this boy is. Look at how pretty. What you doing? Yeah. There you go. There you go, baby. Okay. I'm going to say bye. Do you want to go back? What? What do you want to do? You get it. Get that. Get that. What you got? You good? Are you good, baby? Okay. Boop. Yeah. You dirty bird, weren't you? Oh, I know. It's some of the bark from the tree perch coming up. You're okay. You're good. Being crazy. Acting like you're... Well, hi. What is that? Okay, I'm going to go sit back down for a minute. Okay? Yeah, he's gonna play with that for a little bit. I'm over here. I just got my first edition, after many years of not having it, of a little magazine. Hold on, let me show you. Called Birds and Blooms. And I have subscribed to it over the years many times. It is just a great little magazine. But some of the pictures are just so pretty. They teach you all kinds of stuff. Isn't that nice? So if you ever want a nice little relaxing magazine, and if you know people that like birds and blooms, it's a great gift. Anyway, that one. So like I said, got my first edition. And I actually sent 2 gifts to someone. Or a gift of the subscription to 2 people. So I think they'll really like it. Anyway, I still haven't drilled that dang pipe. I sat down over here and started drinking some water and looking at the Birds in Bloom magazine, and just haven't moved. But I'm gonna get my drill out and get it charged and see if I can't get some holes put on in that galvanized pipe. Keep you posted.